Shanaya Kapoor has opened up about working with Vikrant Messi in the upcoming film Aankhon Ki Gustaakhiyan. In an exclusive interview, she shared how Vikrant's supportive nature and collaborative approach made her feel at ease on set. More than just a co-star, he became a mentor who taught her the value of being a giving actor and treating every scene as a shared effort. Sharing her experience, Shanaya expressed deep admiration for Vikrant, not just as an actor but as a person.
बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला नो जेन्युइनली बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला एंड आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई रियली लर्नड फ्रॉम विक्रांत यू नो एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग ही इज़ अ वेरी जेनरस पर्सन एंड आई थिंक वो उनके काम में बहुत ही रिफ्लेक्ट करता है क्योंकि ही इज़ अ वेरी गिविंग एक्टर एंड आई थिंक वो एक बहुत ही बड़ी चीज़ है व्हेन यू आर एज एन एक्टर कभी कभी आप खाली अपने बारे में ही सोचते हो और अपने लाइंस के बारे में सोचते हो आपके कॉस्ट्यूम के बारे में सोचते हो आपके किरदार के बारे में सोचते हो बट आई थिंक ही टॉट मी दिस विच आई विल होपफुली यू नो आई हैव अ फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड आई होपफुली आई वांट टू हैव अ वेरी लॉन्ग करियर ahead and I'm going to take this learning from him is that you have to be a very giving actor. You have to think about the scene as a whole. You cannot keep thinking only about yourself. And I think Vikrant ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला बट मोर देन दैट ही मेड मी फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऐसे नहीं कभी मैं कभी ऐसे फील नहीं करी थी कि आई एम अ न्यू स्टूडेंट एंड ही इज़ दिस yes an incredible actor more than anything else and I think that is it's incredible.
The star kid admired that for a newcomer, this level of inclusion was both surprising and comforting. Shanaya also revealed she was initially unsure how to respond given Vikrant's stature but felt truly valued, something she believes reflects both his character and his craft as an actor.
He didn't have to do that for me, but he did. He gave me a sense of calmness, and he just made me feel like it's both our scenes here today. आप भी बताओ आपको कैसे लग रहा है आपको क्या लगता है should we do it like this or should we do it like that and I remember the first time I had experienced that I was a bit like I don't know how, you know, it's Vikrant, how you tell me. But I think that it just shows what a person he is and what an actor he is.
Aankhon Ki Gustaakhiyan, which marks acting debut of Shanaya Kapoor, is slated for a theatrical release on July 11.